Do you want to improve your writing skills? Writing, a skill that we all need regardless of the industry we work in. It helps us communicate effectively and can even advance our careers. But how can we improve this fundamental skill? The answer lies in plain writing techniques. Our first technique is list writing. This involves taking a long sentence and breaking it down into a list format. For example, a lengthy 60-word sentence about initiating system operations can be transformed into 8 simple questions, such as: what are the inputs and outputs? What are the boundary conditions? Where will the system performance metrics be recorded? And so on. This makes the information more digestible and easier to understand. Next, we have parallel construction. This is when all the elements in a list or series are written in the same grammatical format. For instance, all the questions in our previous exercise started with what, who, or where. This makes the text easier to read, comprehend, and remember. The third technique is writing with articles. While shorter sentences are generally better, sometimes it's more beneficial to use definite and indefinite articles like a, an, and the. This can make sentences easier to read. For example, print data as time-ordered series on 8 by 11 graph paper can be rewritten as print the data as a time-ordered series on 8 by 11 graph paper. Our fourth technique is writing in active voice. This means that the subject of this sentence performs the action. For example, the information was leaked to the press on Friday can be rewritten in active voice as they leaked the information to their press on Friday. In conclusion, plain writing techniques such as list writing, parallel construction, writing with articles, and writing in active voice can significantly improve your writing skills. They make your text easier to understand, more engaging, and more effective. So why not give it a try? Your readers will thank you.